Hi, mark your diary for 8 October 2021, 10 a.m. EST. Have you been searching for a way to set up a proper money-making online business but cannot find a business operating machine that works? Then you're in the right place. I came across this genuine business opportunity. Register today for the MD Franchise Full-Blown Software Business Free Live Training Session. This is my honest review about MD Franchise, which goes live on 8 October 2021. This is an amazing opportunity for you to get into having your own online franchise business. You're invited to attend the free training session by clicking on the link in my description below. If you get MD Franchise through the link in this video's description, this is what you'll be getting. It's the perfect shortcut for starting a business online, where you'll be able to build an online business in less than 7 days. Yes, I wasn't stammering. You will get everything you need to kickstart your very own full-blown software business. Do you want to be able to sell your own software products online? Get your own premium software apps plus reseller client panel, marketing material, everything 100% done for you. And you keep all of the profits. If you have been observing carefully, you'll have noticed that there has been a rapid increase in online activities of people since the pandemic. More brands are doing their business online than there was a year ago. Every day, people are spending money, buying stuff on the internet, and the biggest winners are those of us who have a business online which attracts all the cash. If you're struggling to start a business or make money online, then this is for you. You will get an over-the-shoulder view training of how to build a successful online business step by step, without having to create a single product. See what you'll learn inside the training. An easy-to-follow, 3-step system that anyone can copy and profit with, without having any skill or experience. Bonuses.
So these are some of the bonuses that you'll be getting.
Free live training session.
Bonus 1, 3,000 email marketing swipes. Bonus 2, how to get testimonials and 5-star reviews as a newbie. Bonus 3, deep dive messenger closing hack. Messenger closing hack. This is a deep dive sales script optimized specifically for Messenger, which you use in Facebook, of course. Bonus 4, done for you social media content calendar and strategy for a full year. Bonus 1 for attendance is lifetime access to social media auto post software. That's just for being in attendance of the training. Bonus 2, 100 plus viral videos. Bonus 3, premium soundtracks. Bonus 4, premium HD videos, motion backgrounds. And then bonuses for buying the offer now. For now, if you really are serious. Ready-made software review blog. Bonus 2, mega exclusive bonus vault. It's bonuses that are in a vault that...
Those are great bonuses. Go ahead and see what you'll learn inside the training. An easy-to-follow, 3-step system that anyone can copy and profit with, without having any skill or experience. How to make money online by selling premium hot-selling products to your audience, without creating a single product yourself. The perfect shortcut for starting a profitable online business. Revealed step by step. How to launch your first digital product without much work or spending money. All your marketing assets and product support is done for you. Now that's what's called franchising. This is the time to put an end to your struggles and start getting results online. Don't miss this special training if you're serious about having an online business. You will get access to some exclusive bonuses when you purchase MD Franchise through my link below. But this offer is very limited, so the earlier you register for this training, the better for you. Register now, link in description. And if you've been holding back on starting an online business because you don't have a product to sell, have I got good news for you. How would you like to be given access to a simple secret that will enable you to kickstart your business in less than 7 days, without creating a single product? Sell unlimited copies of these softwares with reseller licenses. Number 1, Salsa Cake Reseller. Number 2, Design Bundle Reseller. Number 3, Agency Blitz Reseller. Number 4. Lead Grow Reseller. Number 5. Udawalla Reseller. Number 6. Client Finder Reseller. The product vendor has been an online marketer for over 10 years and he has successfully generated millions of dollars selling digital products on some of the top online marketplaces. Just recently, he decided to put together a system to guide people like you and me to succeed online. This is what he did. He broke down everything he's learned and done over the years to a simple shortcut that anyone can implement. And he wants to reveal it to you for free in the training session. Sign up with my link to join the special live workshop, where he will be revealing it all. Click on the link in the description to check it out. Seats are limited. Inside the interactive workshop, you'll learn the following. A simple, 3-step system that anyone can copy and profit with, without having any skill or experience. How to make money online. Selling premium hot-selling products to your audience without creating a single product yourself. The perfect shortcut for starting a profitable online business, revealed step by step. And how to launch your first digital product without doing any work or spending a dime. All your marketing assets and product support is done for you. He's also packaged a few of the premium tools that he uses to run his business effortlessly, and he'll be giving them away for free inside the free workshop. That is why it's so important for you to attend. Go ahead and reserve your seat for this workshop now. Click on the link in the description below the title. There's a special bonus on the other end waiting for you. I urge you to register now. And of course, the link is in the description below the title of this video. If you would like to stay informed about this offer and other super special, powerful offers like these, as always, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to set the algorithm alight. See you in my MD franchise after launch review follow-up video. Cheers.